Southbound, Union Pacific, Palmdale Cutoff, Milepost 474. Palmdale Cutoff was built in late 1960s. Santa Fe wouldn't let Southern Pacific use the tracks down here, so they built their own tracks from Palmdale to West Colton. As you can see, they kind of just put it the only place they could right there. That's the blue cut curve. It's the tightest part of the pass. 3 tracks down below are the BNSF sets. Union Pacific uses them these days quite a bit. Tracks down here were built, 1 and 2 were built in the late 1800s, and main track 3 was built in 2008. That's the track closest to us down here. 3, 2, 1 looking away from us on the bottom. See some of the train down there. San Andreas Fault runs right through that area there, so the train's crossing right over it. Big one hits, it's going to snap those rails right in half. Beautiful train. Over here, rear DPU. Pretty cool, that's probably LPG. I should have said 475.2. The crossing up here is 474.6. So that's how far the front locomotives have gone. It hit a detector up there in Kingbrook. It's about 0.8 of a mile or so. This train's about a mile long, give or take. Like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and help us out with super thanks. It's people like you that keep us going strong. We love you guys, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care and have a great weekend. Love you. Bye-bye. This is our producer, Buddy. He wants to know why you haven't subscribed to the channel yet. Please hit us up with a like and super thanks. Love you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.